Hello, dear users of Unity and everyone else. First of all, I want to say that this video is going to be dedicated to one person, actually, to Tobias Zirngibl, because he sent me two messages. I replied to his first message. So his first message was, it was sent, it was like 21st of April, so actually a long time ago. So the message is, hey there, I have watched your video about your stealth project from 2014, so 20 of October 2014, in which you explain the hide in darkness feature, which is implemented in your usability in darkness script. I exactly need such feature in a game by myself, so I'm wondering about how you achieve this. I have tried make it with raycast hit, but somehow it doesn't work right. Could you please help me out with this? Thank you very much. By Toby. So it his first message to me, and the second message I received it today, just a couple of minutes ago actually. So this message is about, I will read it right now. And meanwhile, I know to entertain you, I will put this moving platform, and I will do this meanwhile. Just to entertain you. Okay. So here his message. Okay. Hey, it's me again. I managed to do it by myself, but now I have a problem, a problem, and as I watch it in your videos, you might have the answer. In your video with title Stealth Hide Your Ass in Shadow, hide your ass in shadow. Have a look. I need to find this video because I forgot about this video. Hide your ass. Oh yeah, of course. Now I understand. So in your video with title Hide Your Ass in Shadow or so, you show a percentage label of how visible your player is to the enemies. I exactly need this feature, but I don't get the answer. This is one drives me crazy. So could you give me a tip how you manage it? How we manage it to do this, actually, I guess. So yeah, first I need to remember the name of the project I used, because I have so many projects over here. So you can see so many projects. Actually, it's Five Nights at Freddy's. Yes, I guess this one. Don't save. And guys, about this moving platform. So I don't understand why people cannot do this with player character, because it's so easy. This moving platform. The problem. So people are asking about how to make player moving with moving platform. It's so easy. Just get this moving platform in your game with box collider and move it, and let player be on the top of this moving platform. That's all. So this is just my answer to your question. To question of other guy. I'm not going to show you this profile of this guy, because he sent me this private message, so I think he doesn't want to be public person, so I guess that's why. If he wanted to give me this as public message, so he could use comments, so I could make him public, show you his link to his profile. And okay, so, and I don't really remember the name of the scene. Well, the name of the scene, it was something about darkness theory or something like this. So once again, if you are not interested in this video, just stop watching this, because this video is going to be dedicated to one person. Or if you are interested in stealth mechanics for your game, you can also watch this. It will be very interesting for you, because this is very cool technique I'm going to use in the future. So let's dig into folders. I'm going to find, so this is stealth related stuff. Let's check it by date. Darkness, okay, here darkness, no, darkness a theory test. So this is big one, a small one, so yeah, this one. And actually it's about a percentage of the visibility for a player. So I have here two parts of my scene. World, it's something you shouldn't care, because this is just a word. It's hold a second. Ooh, wait, but where's my player? My player is part of world? Are you serious? It's not correct. Oh yeah, it's not correct. No, my player is not part of world. My player should be separate object. Hold a second. Thanks for asking me to record this video, because I fixed it, this problem with so the world is separate object, I mean separate group. We have here a player, and now I'm going to save this because I don't know, maybe I'm gonna I'm gonna screw this scene and I will make it again from scratch. So let's just save it. Like where is it? Darkness theory, B4. Okay, so we have this world, and it's not important object really. We're not gonna focus on this. The very important objects, they are player and sun. In my case, so have a look. I will switch to simple mode. I'm going to show the sun first of all. So sun is located in 0, 0, 0, so it's at center of the world space. And the sun has a rotation of this real sun. So I'm gonna show you this right now. So no, I'm going to show you this child object. Child object, it's light, it's directional light, so it's how far light soars, how far light soars away from us. And if you are using only light source, it doesn't matter how far this object is, because it's only matter of his rotation, right? But here we are using this script, and this is very important for this script. So this is how far away this ray is from the ground. Okay, and so look, here I have a position 0, 0, 0 in center of universe, and this is actual rotation of our sun. So I will demonstrate it. So I will rotate it, and you can see that how it's working. So it's working correctly. So this is animator, which contains animation. I'm going to show you it's over here. So it's just simple animation for moving of the sun. So actually moving of this game object by orbit, just like sun is moving. So that's all about this object. Now let's dig into this one. So I'm going to dig very deeply, so there will be no questions from you. I will just dig very deeply. So this is distance from distance where from this ray will start. Okay, light source. Okay, we finish it over here. So soft shadows. Okay, and this is very important part over here. So look, from this point, so I'm going to demonstrate it. So let's just say we have here not 10,000, let's just say we have here, you know, just minus 10. So its object located very closely, and sun will not see. So you know, actually not sun. Actually, no, we have here, you know, this ray cast, and ray cast has angle. And if you know, if you are, you know, going to look at this as human, so if you are located very close to some object, you can see only small angle. If you are located, you know, far away, you can see more of this object. So you have, you know, bigger angle. This is angle good for sun. So if you know, far away, so you get, you know, bigger angle for your, you know, ray. And this is, you know, ray, you know, has, you know, this range, you know, from this to that. So like, you know, the cone. And finally we're going to this script. So this is effects holder. Effects holder, it's not necessary to mention, so really, you know, I can, you know, I even don't know how to explain this really. So it's so many things to explain. My code is not structurized, so many mess over there. So I will try to be more laconic in this matter. So let's just first, you know, dig into code, and I will, you know, show you the code and, you know, explain all this stuff. So let's just start with effects holder. So if we are in a shadow, we have, you know, some effects in our camera. If we are not in shadow, we have some effects in our camera also. So this is how it's working. So let's just have a look at our script. Please show me my script. Blah blah blah. Sure, go away, go away, go away, go away. So okay, actually I don't need you. I need this JavaScript. Good lord, JavaScript. Can't find assembly system. Oh great! Oh great! What's the problem? It used to work correctly, now it's not working. Alright, let's just go then here. Visibility in it's visibility in darkness 2 or 1. Visibility, no, not camera, sun. Okay, visibility in darkness 2. Maybe this one. Okay. Well, let's then open this in Notepad++, because for some reason it fails to open. For some reason, but before it worked, it just good. Visibility in darkness 2. Open with Notepad++. Universal solution. Of course, it doesn't show me any errors and all this in Notepad, but anyway. So okay, we have here this camera variable. Okay, camera. So okay, look, if we have this effect holder, you know, not empty. So if we assign it here, where is it? If we assign it here camera, which will, you know, show us cool effects. So if we are hidden in a shadow, it will show us, you know, blue effects. If not in shadow, you know, bright effects. So not you, go away. So if this object, you know, assign it, and we have effects enabled, so this one, Then we will get our effects holder, the camera, in this case, this camera, and this object has component Unity shaders assets, image effects, image, this actually, where is it? This stuff, and a lot of those, cool effects. So if we are hidden, if blood is enabled, then we are okay. No. Let's start, better with this line. So we have here, if effects holder is assigned, so it's a camera, and we have effects enabled, then if we are not hidden, if we have this blood enabled, so we show the screen overlay. Screen overlay is, I'm going to show you this stuff. It's blood, actually, this one. If we have this blood functionality, this true over here, true, and we are not visible, so we don't show this screen overlay stuff. So if we are hidden, so we show, so we don't show bloom, we show this vignette and chromatic aberration. So we know it's just like in stealth games. This stuff. I'm gonna show you this. Vignette, once again to camera. So this is, in stealth mode. If we are not hidden, so we don't show this effect. So if we are hidden, so we don't show noise and grain. So actually this one. If we are hidden, if we are not hidden, we show this stuff. And contrast stretch. So if we are hidden, so we enable this stuff. If we are not hidden, so we don't show this stuff. So yeah, we finish it with this small part about camera stuff. Now let's go to this functionality. So you can see here many variables. Top, front one, la 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 la. So actually, this stuff is all about points. Actually, I will unhide them all for you. So mesh render. So this is not. Okay, it's not for now. So look, this is how it's working. So well, I don't remember I used it to paint this or not. So look, we have this ray. It's coming from our sun, to each of these points. So this is top of our head. This is our face. The right side of our face, left side, our belly, our legs, blah blah blah. The back of the legs. And if actually this raycast can hit, for instance, our face, so our face is visible. And this is some, all those parts over here, so front it's the face, front of the face, left is the left side of face, right is right side of face. So 2, it's about the middle part, so this, and 3 is for legs part. So this is a variable. So look, if top is lit, it means that we have light over here. light hits our top of the head. This is front, it's front of face, left it's left side of face, right it's right side of face. So the two, it's middle stuff. So the front two is front of our breast, and 3 it's the back, 3 it's back of our legs. And so I hope you understand how it's working. So and the bottom is actually this part. So if all those variables here are not lit, so if they are not in the light, for instance, so we get this hidden. If some of those variables are in the light, so we don't have this hidden. And here we have this percentage. So this is what this person actually the Tobias Zirngibl asked me about. So look, let's go to my script again. So this is okay. So look, well, this is a percentage of visibility for us. So we have this, actually I really should start from this stuff. So we have here, this effects holder. I told you about this, blah, blah, blah. So this is for game objects, for all the points, this orange points. This is bottom is also for point. Those are boolean, just for script, so you could see if some the part of your body is hidden or not. And this is actually a value for the percentage. And this is the points for each part of your face, or not face, of the body. So let's just so the if the 100 actually have a look. Where is it? It's in update. So so the percentage, how many the persons of your identity is visible. It's sum sum of all the stuff of the face side, all this stuff. But if your front of face is lit, so this this value will be 70, if not 0. And all the stuff is about the all the points of your body. And let's just say you have so you are hidden 0 0 0 0, so all those values are 0, right? So you have no light on your face, on your back. So then you get so this 0 0 0 0 0, and you get 0. So you are completely invisible for enemies. So you are in a shadow. If, for instance, you have your face visible, 70, right, and the rest is 0, so you get here 70, which means that you are visible for enemy. So this is the GUI where you get your message about your visibility. So your persona discover it, and how many the persons, and this the persons symbol over here. And a private, no, it's not private. I made it not private just for test. So it's a field of view range for our sun. It's actually not necessary in this case. Ray range, it's for the how long this ray is. In my case, this is very huge number, really huge. Ray range, I mean this the field of view, so the angle. Okay, ray direction, so vector 30, so it means that it's coming right to us. actually, yeah, this is actually, I don't remember. What is it? Haha, I don't remember what is it. Target current position. Okay, I guess I will remember this later. So debug is, for debug, cube of invisibility. If we are hidden, then we show this cube. And this cube gives us, this light, blue light. If we are not hidden, so, we don't show this cube. So, we don't have, this light. And so actually, so the boolean, so in light, in darkness, so it's, show us if we are in light or darkness. It's, just for test. I mean, not for test, so, just to show, to player if you're visible or not. Actually, I have to remember why for I have here this one and those two variables. So target current position. Update, let's have a look. Oh, okay, so look. What interesting about all this stuff. So look, if we are totally, lit, so all parts of our body is lit by, light, so we have, this valley hidden false. If we are totally unlit, so we are in a darkness, we have this valley hidden true. So it's about effects. Let's skip this because we... And now another very cool stuff. So actually I decided that, this stuff about this is stupid because you have to be completely in the darkness to be not visible, and you have to be completely in the light to be visible. So here I made this change. So have a look. If the percentage of visibility is less than 37, then you are invisible. If more than this number, then you are visible. Yeah, visible, yeah. Okay, so actually, and this is player object. Ah, yeah, sure. Now have a look. So we have this recast here. So each time it has, this recast happening. So every frame, I guess, yeah. And this is how it's happening. So we make a recast from the player transform position to transform position. I mean, no, not actually, from transfer position. Transfer, I mean this, sun from here to this position. So, and this is very interesting part, guys. This is extremely interesting part. And so this function happening all the time, each frame. And each frame we also change this object. So player object, it's top of head, front of face, left, right, and we check this stuff. We check, this visibility, right? So here we go. So we change our player object, to front of face. Then we make a recast. And look, if blah 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 in light. So if we hit, for instance, our face, so we say that okay, our face is in light. So then we go to what we get. So the top of head, front of face, left side. And this is how we get all those values from all the parts of body. All parts of body, and this is. And they are coming here actually. They are coming actually here. they are coming here, and they are also coming somewhere else. Yes, yes, of course, of course. They are coming over here, not, I mean, they are also coming here, right here, but the main part is happening over here. So look, if we assign it, the cube for top of our head, so we assign player object as top, so we will recast from the sun to top of head, and we got this visibility function, this one happening all the time. And if we if sun hits the some part of our body, we say front of faces lit, is in light, right? Yeah, and in light it's, hold a second, Lord, I'm so confused now. Let's have a look this function. Haha. Okay, so actually I have here two if player, no. Well, I have to think over, because actually how it's happening, so we take some object, and if we actually can reach this object, oh yeah, sure, so look, we are recasting from the sun to this position, but actually we don't hit this position, because this position has no box collider. We are hitting the player with tag player, and if for instance sun is coming from here to to here, and here it hits object with tag player, so it says that it hits the player head, or breast. This is the last part. It's for gizmo, so this magenta, it's for color of this ray, yeah. Okay, I have to focus once again here. So if heat transform, well, actually, yeah. But anyway, it's working. You can look at this code. So actually I will do this. I will leave it like this, so you can make print screen 47, another print screen 95, print screen 140, print screen 186, print screen, yeah. This object is attached to sun. I have here such variables. Cube invisibility is over here. This cube has light source attached component to it, mesh renderer, and this cube object it just the object with box collider. So we are moving, and this object is parented to us as child, and this object has box collider, so we can actually push object with physical objects with our hand, like this. Yeah, I promised not to show script, but I think it was necessary to show because just to give an idea of how it's working. But I found out that even I can't even explain. So I just made this code, and now after a couple of weeks I'm confused how it's working. So it was actually 22nd of April, so not so long time ago, but I'm already confused. Yeah, so actually it's about player capsule. So the player capsule, you can see, so it has nothing special. So mouse look, FPS input controller, character motor, character controller. Yeah, nothing very interesting. This is also, I showed you this stuff, camera. So the camera has this effects and such values over here. So blood splatter, yeah, not very interesting. Objects, just like just like in motion capture, stuff. This and cube, I show you this, sun, animator, world, just object world. Okay, I will need to open door for my dog because my dog want to enter room. Hey, don't touch my microphone! Don't touch my microphone! Hey! Okay. Started to lick my microphone, get damn. Okay. Sorry for this interruption. I hope it's still recording. Okay, 37 minutes. Well, my microphone is all in dog's water from the mouth, foam. Okay, now it's okay. Also, I'm working on other stuff for light. So it's the global light, sun. But here I have also object light. So test the spotlight. So I will show you this. But I have a problem with this. So look, it also has this ray which is coming from here. But if I click, for instance, so to play game. Oh, I forgot to hide my orange boxes. orange boxes. They will be visible. But just never mind. Okay, Unity, please show me this stuff. So this. So look, now we are not visible. Face, look, and we hide face, show face, hide face, and you can see there are two overlapping values. So 0 and this value. So look, if I go here, where is my? So you can see. So now I should be visible, but I'm invisible. I'm in this light, but I'm still visible. Let's just try to turn all this functionality from the light, from the sun. But now it's not working at all. So you can see here. So this is just incompatibility. So we should be visible, but we're not visible. So in the spotlight. So this is not good. Okay, I guess this is enough for this video. Yeah, this is enough. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for a question to Tobias Zirngibl or Zirngibl. So yeah, have a good time and bye bye and have a good time. And meanwhile, I'm going to check my script for errors because it says that I don't have some variables. Some variables are missing. Oh, by the way, thanks for subscribers. Oh, now I have 311, but I had 308 in the morning or somewhere else. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye and have a good time. See you later in the next video of something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye.